Welcome back. In this session, we'll discuss about how to create example on multiple inheritance using Python code. So first, let us look into what exactly multiple inheritance. So multiple inheritance is possible in Python, of course, and a class can be derived from more than one class or more than one base class. So the syntax for this one is similar to single inheritance, but only thing is that there are multiple base classes. As you can see in the picture here, like class A, class B, both are the parent class, or you can say super class, or you can say base class, and the class C is called child class, or you can say it's a derived class. So this class C can able to inherit the properties methods from class A and as well as from class B. So class A both are parent class, parent of what for C it is. So let us begin with the programming part. All right, so here example, so first let me take the class name called say class example, item detail. So let me take class name called item detail, and here I'll input the two values, say item code. So input, so enter item code, and then item name as well. So indentation is very important, the spacing and all, so that we need to see carefully, so while typing the syntax. All right, then define the function just to show the whatever input we did, say item, item, then detail, and then take the first argument as a self here, and simply we print the details here, say first one called item code, that is self dot I code as a variable name, okay, and then next one called item name, so self dot I name, okay. So this is or the first base class or, okay, and let us design the next one, which is will create the second base class, say the class name called something called billing detail. So build detail, and here we'll input some values like quantity, say enter quantity, and then we'll input the price as well, price. So enter price, that means product price or item price, and we'll make a total here, so total equal to quantity into the price, right? And then we'll define another method here within the second the base class, say show billing detail, then first argument as a self, and we'll simply print the detail here, say quantity, that is item quantity, as a self dot qty, right? And the next one, of course, the price of an item, so here it is price, so self dot price, and then we'll also do total. See, total we did already in the the class section, so here self dot tot, just display the total amount. All right, so maximize. Okay, so now two base classes over, right? So let us create the derived class. So here I'm going to create a class, derived class. Okay, so that is say class example. Okay, so the class name called say inventory detail, and within here I'm going to call two classes. So one is called say item detail, which is my first base class, and other one called billing detail. This is my second base class, right? Billing detail, right? Okay, then inside this one we'll calculate say tax. Okay, so tax equal to, so tax is part of the which class? Billing detail class, that is total, not tax, it's a total. So hence, so build detail dot tot, so into whatever percentage, maybe it around 18%, say 18 by 100. Then one more variable I take, bill amount equals to. All right, now we'll run the program. So just go to run, then click on run module. and you see here, so the first one item code say I001, item name say TV, then quantity say 2, and the price is around say 12,000, and you can see the detail here. So this is the item code, okay, I001, item name, okay, and see these two informations are part of the first base class, right? So the quantity, price and total part of the second base class. So the tax and total amount is part of the last derived class. So hence this derived class can able to access the properties and methods from both class A and class B. That means, so we have two classes here. I take it once again here. See the one base class. So I have mentioned the comment also here. You can just observe. Okay. So item detail, which is the first base class and contains, there is a method called show item detail, and there is a second base class name called billing detail, which contains like three informations along with the method. And finally there is a inventory detail derived class, or you can say subclass, so which inherits property methods from both base classes, like item detail as well as billing details, right? And finally we created the instance on the derived class called inventory detail, and we are calling these two methods. They are part of the first like two classes. They are called parent class, and the last one, it is invoking its own class method, or simply child class method. So this is the example on multiple inheritance. Hope you like this video. So please subscribe to our channel for more videos on Python and other topics. Thanks for watching.